Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about age calculation, that how can we calculate our age. So let's get started. First of all, we will write title, age calculation. 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 Title, bonnet, and give him some design. Okay, so first of all we will write name, date of birth, today, month, month, year, and day. So we will write name here. So first of all I will calculate my age. Put them all borders. Okay, my name is Ahmad, and I born in September, date 3 and year 2003. So I will calculate my date. Write today date here. Okay, solve. It is okay. Today date here, and right here we will start the formula of age calculation is equal to dated, not only date, dated. Okay, this will not give you answer. First of all, select date of birth, then comma, and then today date, again comma, and type double quotation. Okay, and then write M, mean month, double quotation again, bracket close, enter. So how I spent 206, and how I year, and how my age. Dated, if this is the formula of age calculation. Okay, bracket, select date, comma, and today, again comma, and double quotation, and year. So you can write also like this. Okay, sorry, close, enter. Okay, let me write why only. It's not. Oh yes, it is. So my year now is 17. So I'm 17. Now let's check that how I spent days. Dated if select date of birth, comma, again today, comma, again then quotation, and again write the, okay, close bracket, enter. So I spent 6,297. So this how can we each calculate, how can that's so that's how we can calculate our age. So you can also try and also calculate your age. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Excel course. Goodbye.